Hiya, tonight today we're going to obviously cover part 2 of my video, which is the BMW Rallye jacket. I'm going to unveil it from the box as it comes, and then we're going to put it on and I'll show you what I've worked out. Alright, first one, I'm just going to read some specs. As it says, BMW says it's got suitable for hot to medium temperatures. That depends on you and what you've got on underneath, obviously. Can be worn with a fleece or padded jacket, so it's going to have a bit of flexibility or adjustability. 3-layered hard wearing inner and outer jacket. Double thickness of the material in areas at risk in the event of a fall, so around the elbows, we'll cover that. 6 front pockets, 2 of them waterproof, 1 rear pocket and 1 small pocket. We'll have a look at it, see if we can find the jacket, find the pockets. There's a pocket for a hydration pack, which is obviously at the back. Well designed ventilation areas, large on the back, in the chest and in the arms. We'll cover that. Mesh lining in between the ventilation. A long back protector. Hook and loop fasteners and press studs for adjustment at various points. Reflective material on the sleeves and in the back. And the last bit has got a 40cm connecting zip around the bottom so it can connect to the trousers. Okay, that's the spec. I'm just going to get it out of the box. Comes in a box as like so. Alright, in the box is obviously, you see the jacket itself. And it also comes with its own bag, a BMW bag. Alright, it's like a suit carrier. So you can have the jacket in its own bag, suit carrier. Okay. There's the first look at the jacket. Right, and the waterproof inner. So we'll cover that. So let's try it on. Okay. So first we've got the inner waterproof jacket. Okay, that's fastened, that's just a normal zip. All the way up. Velcro, keep the wind out. And then the jacket itself zip. And nice soft leather around the neck and a velcro fasten. Some push stud, some velcro, push studs all the way down. As you notice, nothing in the outside to scratch the tank, nice and soft. Okay? Get a large pocket at the back there. So, as it says, it's got 6 pockets. 2 here, or 1 large one, chest pocket there. Another. And these are your 2 waterproof pockets. Okay, 2 large waterproof pockets there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then there's 4, 5, 6. These ones have got the zips, sides, and the fleecy. Right, so these ones are fleecy pockets, waterproof pockets here, and 2 inner large pockets. So you go all the way to the back here. Here's my fingers. What I like is where the waterproof pocket is, can't make it out, but that there is like a piece of wire, so that when you pull it over it makes a seal down into the jacket there, see it? So it assists with the waterproofing. Same on that side, piece of wire there, waterproof, creates a seal, that's it. So, that's the jacket. Ventilation. As you can see, the press studs here. Just remove it, and you can clip it into place and open it up for ventilation. You don't have to have it all, you can have it there. So ventilation at the front. Okay, we have that side done, all the way over. It's a bit fiddly at first, but the jacket is new. As you see, I've just taken it out of the box. But remember, you wouldn't be doing this every 5 minutes, you'd just be doing it once for the day and then closing it or opening it. Okay, so that's the front ventilation opened. On the arms, as you see, adjusters, velcro, the cuffs. You've got 3 different levels. You can bring the actual arm over, depending on what you've got on underneath the garment. You've got a velcro adjuster. So as you can see, one that's done up, one not. Okay. You've got 2 options. Ventilation in the arm. You do the zip from the bottom all the way up, and as it opens up and there's a mesh to let the air in, or you can do it downwards. See that one's done. Got a little pocket on here. Put whatever you feel necessary in there, passport, driving licence, or any other coinage, or anything you need. Maybe you need to hand on the bike as riding. Also mentioned reinforcement. There's your armour in the elbow, and they've reinforced the elbow pads because obviously they expect you to go down the ground on that part. Okay, so I'm going to take the jacket off and I'm just going to cover the rear ventilation. Right, the waterproof jacket itself, it's held inside with 3 little clips, one on each sleeve. Undo this, the actual wee clip inside, one on the back, and you can actually take out a jacket off, leaving the BMW waterproof jacket on. Okay, so that's the BMW inner waterproof jacket with a reflecting stripe. Okay, so now the back of the jacket. As you can see here, that's for your camel pack. Right. Undo the velcro, 2 zips, that side. And that side. Okay, this little compartment has 2 different versions. So you've got this large square panel here for you to put your camel pack in. Feed the pipe up through the jacket, through here, over your shoulder, and be ready to drink whenever you're riding. Also what I like, this is a big ventilation panel. You see the pop studs here? You can roll up the jacket, okay, roll up this bit here at the bottom, and there's your ventilation at the back. Okay, large pocket at the back. And it's separated into two compartments. Wrong, 3 compartments. So you get two small ones and one large one. Okay? So take the waterproof jacket off, and I'll just show you again the jacket on. And you can see it with the ventilation panel opened to the rear. And that's your ventilation panel open to the rear. So from there to the top, as you can see, is your spine protector board outwards. Alright, that's your long spine protector. Now, all the time I've ridden bikes, they've had this clothing on with a waterproof in the inside. Of BMW have stated that if you're riding this and it gets wet or starts to rain, they advise you take this out and then place it over the top like so. And that is your jacket fully waterproofed. I don't know if I'll do that while I was riding. I might end up just leaving it in as long as I'm warm, but I may do it if I know I'm going to be riding for 8 hours in the rain. I may opt to put this on. It's just another layer to stop everything else getting wet and taking the water away from my body, obviously dropping my temperature and keeping me cold. So that is a very quick review of the BMW GS Rallye clothing. Just let me know what you think. Comments welcome. Anyone wants to try anything else? Alright, next video is going to be a very quick video on the trousers. Goodbye.